All right, we're here at Muldownall's Upholstery. We're picking up the top. Don't mind a little bit of plastic. I just did that to protect everything, so we're gonna just leave it on there. And I gotta say, these guys knocked it out of the park. Absolutely knocked it out of the park. I mean, obviously it's really tight right now, and we will obviously be deep cleaning when everything's done, but it just looks so good. Bill, I gotta say, this color, nailed it, baby. Absolutely out. Nailed it. Looks so good. Loving it.